Hey guys, Ben here with Decent Power Products, and today we're talking about Blend Doors USA. Now these are going to be made for the Dodge Ram 2nd, 3rd, and 4th gen pickups. You want to make sure that when you're selecting that, you may see options on there as far as dual zone, single zone, and whatnot. Make sure and check out the listing to find out if you actually have a dual zone or a single zone, because the kits are different. As far as the doors themselves, these are made out of aluminum and extremely high quality. You may be thinking to yourself, why aluminum? Why not just steel? Well, steel tends to have to be tack welded to make that work, and that's a weak point, a potential break point. And I don't know about you guys, but if I've got my dash torn apart and I'm putting a part in there on my old truck, I don't want to put a part in there that's going to fail or have any chance to fail, because taking dashboards apart, they suck. So make sure and put a good product in there that you know is not going to fail, has this really nice thick foam to make sure you get a good seal on there, and you're going to have a good time. So make sure and check out Blend Doors USA. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We have sales technicians on the phone 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also hop on the chat feature on the website, email us, social media, whatever works best for you. We are here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.